Hi everyone, this is Nived. So in this video, we will discuss about Robocop Assistant. Robocop Assistant is a feature in the Robocop cloud platform which actually helps to execute attended automation in a target machine. So in this video, we will discuss on how we can install the Robocop Assistant application in the target machine. Then we will see how we can run a attended process in that target machine using Robocop Assistant. So before moving further into further details, let's discuss about the robot that we are going to run as a part of this tutorial. So let me open the Robocop lab, and this is the robot that I had designed for this tutorial demonstration. So this is a simple attended bot which will take two numbers as an input from the user, then it will add these two numbers in the calculator application that is present in this laptop, then it will print the sum of its result. Okay, so this is what this bot will do, and let's see it's working by clicking on this restart to see how it works. So you can see that first it will ask for the two numbers as an input. You can see it will display a dialog which asks to input the first number which need to be added. Let me type 50, click OK. Now it asks for the second number which need to be added with the first number. Let me type 80, let me click OK. Now you can see that it will open the calculator application, input these two numbers, add them together, then this result is obtained in the calculator application. That result is extracted from this calculator application and it will display in a simple message box, that is the sum of these two numbers. Oh, I think there seems to be some issue around, maybe some system issues. So let me run it once again. Yeah, type 50, 80, okay. Yeah, you can see it will add type these two numbers, then it will extract the result from the calculator application and display in the message box the sum of the two numbers, that is 130. Okay, so this is simple attended bot that I had designed for this tutorial. Okay, so it will display the number in a message box, that is 130. Let me click OK. Now the execution will be completely done. So this is how this robot works. And for the dialog part, actually I use this keyword get value from user to display the dialog which will ask for the two numbers, that is the first number and second number. And to use this get value from user keyword, you have to first import dialogs library. Okay, so please remember that also. Now, so we have seen how this robot is working. Now let me move to a Robocop cloud. Now let me navigate to example workspace which is coming under Nived's example organization. Now the first step is we have to upload this robot to the Robocop cloud under example workspace. For doing that, what you have to do, you have to go to Robocop lab, then you have to click on upload to Robocop cloud option. Now you have to select your workspace. Let me select example workspace. Let me click on create new. Now give the robot a name, that is uh, attended bot underscore calculator. Let me click on upload robot. Now the robot will get pushed into the Robocop cloud, which will take some time. Now you can see that our robot has been successfully uploaded to the Robocop cloud under example workspace, that you can see here. You can see attended underscore bot underscore calculator. Now what you have to do, next step is you have to create an assistant of this bot. So for that you have to go to assistant tab, then you have to click on new assistant. Give assistant a name. Let me give the name as calculator assistant. Now you have to select the robot which you want to run as an assistant. So in my case it is attended underscore bot underscore calculator. Now let me click on create. Now the assistant is being created. Now we have to run this assistant in our target machine. Means in my case, I had to run this assistant in my laptop. So for that, I had to install the Robocop Assistant application into my laptop. Then I had to download. That is, from after installing this Robocop Assistant application, within that application, I had to download this calculator assistant and then I had to run this calculator assistant. Okay. For that, first is you have to download the Robocop Assistant application. So for that, you have to click on this download Robocop Assistant application. Now you have to download according to your operating system of the target machine. In my case, the operating system of my target machine is Windows. So I will select this option and I will download the Robocop Assistant application. So I am going with the default directory option to download it. Now the exe file will get downloaded into my target machine. So it will take some time. And also please note that you have to install this Robocop Assistant application only once. Okay, in that target machine. So so this download has been done, completed. Now let me click on the exe file to do the additional installation procedure. So now let me go with the default option. It will take some time for the installation process. So let's wait for that. Yeah. Now already we had checked this already defaultly this run Robocop Assistant application has been checked, so that when we click on finish, automatically the Robocop Assistant application will open. So when we click on finish, now you can see that Robocop Assistant application will open. Yeah, you can see here it will get open, and also the desktop shortcut you can also see here in your desktop. You can see Robocop Assistant application shortcut file is also being created in your desktop, so that you can also easily access it from there. So let me go with the additional installation. So now after installing the Robocop Assistant application, you will see like this. So the first step is you have to link your Robocop Cloud with your Robocop Assistant application, and so there are two options to link it, either by using this option link with Robocop Cloud option, or by using access credential. You can explore any of the feature to link your assistant application with your Robocop Cloud platform. Here I am going with the first option, that is link with Robocop Cloud option. So when I click on this button, it will redirect me to the Robocop Cloud login page. Since I have already logged to my Robocop cloud, so I don't need additional login again. So it will redirect me to this page where I had to click on this button, link Robocop Assistant with your account. So I have to click on this. Now you can see, you can see that it will display a page like this now. So here, since I had installed this Robocop assistant, so you can see that it will display page like this saying I had installed no assistant in my target machine. So what I have to do is I have to click on this install assistant. So it will load the assistant that is present in our Robocop cloud. Now you can see that apart from the assistant that we had created now, there are other assistants also available in other workspace like Niveth underscore first underscore workspace and production workspace, which I had previously experimented. So in my case, we had uploaded this calculator assistant which is present under example workspace. So we have to install only this one right now. We have to click on this. We have to check this mark corresponding to this calculator assistant. Then we have to click on install to install this particular assistant into our target machine. So it will take some time to install this assistant. It will depend upon the network speed, everything. If you click on show log, we'll get all the details of its installation process. Okay, so now you can see that our assistant has been installed successfully. Let me click on close. Now you can see that an option here. You can see under my assistant, you can see the calculator assistant application which is being installed. Now you can click on this run option or run button to run your calculator assistant. Okay, and also you can see the drop down, you can see this option here. You can even remove your calculator assistant if needed, and or if you need to add more assistant to your Robocop assistant application, you have to just click on this add button. It will redirect to the page of installing the assistant in your target machine. You can see, even if for example if you want to install data into your target machine, you have to just click on this check mark, then you have to install the assistant. So this is how you are able to install the assistant into your Robocop assistant application. Okay, so now let's run this calculator assistant to see whether it is working fine or not. So let me click on run. So now you can see that our robot start to running. So it has asked for the first number as an input. So we will type, let's say 48. Let me click OK. Now it asks for the second number. So I will type, let's say 85. Let me click OK. So now you can see it will open the calculator application. It will type the two numbers, add them together, and it will extract the result from calculator application, and then it will display in the message box that you can see 133 as a result. So let me click OK now. So you can see that our assistant has been run successfully. And also if you need to view the output, either you can view the output under the output folder that is present in our local system, or you can directly view in the cloud also. If you click on this view in cloud option, you can view the output data of this assistant running in the cloud itself directly. You can see here, yeah, if you just click on assistant run, you can find the files, log file, XML file, everything you can find under this option. Okay, or if you need to view it under the output folder, you can also do here. You can see that it will open the folder that is present in our local machine. You can see. Okay, so in this way you can analyze the output also if needed. Let me close this. So this is how you can able to run your assistant using Robocop assistant application. So now let's see one more. So before ending this tutorial, I would like to add one more point here. For example, you have made some changes to your calculator part. For example, in this case, you are adding two numbers. Now you have changed your code in such a way that it will subtract the two numbers. So at that time, do we have to do any changes in this Robocop assistant application since our assistant had been changed? So what you have to do in such cases? So we'll discuss that by doing. So let me go to robots, and as you all know that we can even edit our robot under Robocop Cloud itself. That's a great feature. So if you go under robot section, If you select the required robot, that is in my case, I want to edit attended underscore bot underscore calculator. Then you have to click on edit online. You can edit your bot directly here. Okay. So here I am making a small change here, like I need to subtract the two numbers. So for that, what I will do is, uh, yeah, yeah. Instead of this plus button, I will put it as minus button. It will select the minus. Okay, let me save it. Okay, yeah. Now, since our code has been changed, so what we have to do in the assistant or Robocop assistant? So what we have to do is, when, for example, we had made any code updation in the robot, what at that time, what we have to do is, we have to just click on the settings option, then you have to click on refresh assistant. So at that time, your assistant will get refreshed so that it will also change its code also at the same time. That you can see here right now. So if you click on run, you can see it again. Yeah, that was the first number 100, second number let's say 40. Open the calculator application. 100 minus 40, yeah, you can see it is subtracting the two numbers instead of adding two numbers. Okay, so it's working fine. Okay, 60, yeah, it's correct. So this is the way how you can handle the code changes. Like if you are making certain code changes in your robot, at that time you have to refresh your system before running it so that it can cope up with the updated code. Okay, so this is also the point I want to discuss with you. So now by this video you had understood on how about the Robocop assistant, like how we can install the Robocop assistant and how we can run an attended process using Robocop assistant, and also how we can handle the code changes that is coming in the robot in the Robocop assistant. So this is all I want to discuss with you, and hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel for more updates. Thank you.